All right, our first thing we're going to take a look at is location. All right, we talked about location earlier, and we use location to navigate, find stuff, and so much more. Right? We use navigate or location on our phones, Google Maps, all those things we talked about. And when everyone's like, Mr. Riley, we don't need to know this, blah, blah, blah. Remember that the GPS, how it's figured out, is through the coordinates. Remember the latitude, which goes side to side around the globe, and the longitude, which goes up and down around the globe, and where they cross at those points, that's a coordinate. And then that is your absolute location. So that's what the GPS uses. Relative location, on the other hand, is when we refer to something regarding where it is. Okay, so like that is next to it. Meet me at the basketball courts next to Gilmore. Okay, that's how you would figure out how to use relative location. Again, absolute location is a precise spot. It's like an address to a house. Okay, so your address is your precise location to your house. Now, what I want to talk about today is why do we care about location? There's so many reasons to think about it, but what I want you to get into your head is to think outside boxes, to think individually, to think deeper than just surface answers of location is just where you are or how to find something. I want you to be able to think, why do we care about location? Why do we study locations? Don't think just personally. We talked about the reliability of water, for example, how my location influence tribes or groups in the deepest jungles. Do you think they'd want to know where their water is or how to get it? I would think so. So that's going to be kind of what you're thinking about today. So we already know that we figure out location to find stuff, but why do we care? Why do we need to use location outside of just locating stuff? Or why would we want to know where the location of something is? Okay? All right. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned.